everyone, today we are going to show you how to replace screen for Samsung A20, A2010. Start heating the back glass at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds, and as you need, I'm going to skip for few minutes. Caution, in the top of the top side we have a fingerprint flex cable, so don't cut it. Okay, now remove all screws from the board, and another thing, don't forget to remove the SIM card tray, otherwise you will break the board. You can push using your fingernails or plastic tools to separate both the frame and the plastic cover. I forgot to remove the SIM card tray, as you can see, and this is bad. Don't you forget to. Now start heating the screen at 250 degrees Celsius. It's broken, so we can go in hurry. Never mind, because we are going to replace it. Always and always remove all pieces from the glass, otherwise when you attach the LCD you will break it. So the professional thing is to clean all over the frame professionally. And the second professional thing is to test the LCD before assemble, because of the guarantee. Because if it's damaged, so you can replace it, otherwise you will seal the guarantee. Attach the flex cable of the screen, push it down, and now turn on the device and test. And use the clips to power on the device. star pound 0 star pound. This will let you to test the touch. After this, we will assemble the device. So let's begin. Bought T8000 glue all over the frame to attach the new LCD. There is no need to put in the middle of the device. Now attach the new LCD where it's belong and push it to the frame. Now put everything back where it's belong and then assemble, and that's it, and have a nice day. If you liked my videos, don't forget to subscribe for me guys. We will see you in the next video. Ciao. You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.